Imagine walking onto a luxury cruise, feeling like you've paid for the penthouse suite, without spending a single extra dollar. Sounds impossible, right? Almost too good to be true? What if I told you there are simple secrets cruise lines don't advertise? Hidden ways to enjoy the perks of billionaire travel while staying in your original cabin, eating the same food, and using the same amenities as everyone else? The difference? Knowledge. Pure, simple knowledge that separates average travelers from those who seem to glide through their cruise experience like VIPs. By the end of this video, you'll know 8 powerful ways to unlock hidden luxury on any cruise, and one of them could literally save you thousands. These aren't gimmicks or loopholes that might get you in trouble. These are insider strategies that cruise lines quietly hope you never discover. I've spent over a decade studying luxury cruise operations, insider tips, and hidden cruise secrets, everything from room upgrades to exclusive experiences that most travelers never see. I've interviewed crew members, hospitality managers, and frequent cruisers who've mastered the art of premium travel on a budget. What I'm about to share with you comes from years of careful observation and real-world testing. Let's dive in. Secret number 1, checking in early can dramatically improve your onboard experience. This might sound basic, but the impact is anything but ordinary. Cruise lines assign cabins algorithmically. The first to check in often get the best available locations, quieter decks, or upgraded balconies that weren't previously accessible. The system is designed to reward those who act quickly and decisively. Complete your online check-in the moment it opens. Set a reminder if you have to. And if you arrive at the port early, politely ask if your cabin has any last-minute upgrades available. Most staff can accommodate if availability exists, especially during off-peak seasons when ships aren't sailing at full capacity. One couple I spoke to ended up with a panoramic balcony for the price of an interior stateroom, just because they checked in 2 hours earlier than scheduled. They didn't ask for anything special. The system simply rewarded their promptness. Secret 2, your dining choices affect more than just your meal. This is something most passengers overlook entirely. Early or late seating at specialty restaurants can sometimes unlock complimentary perks like wine pairings, chef's table offers, or exclusive tasting menus that aren't on the regular menu. Cruise staff monitor who books when, rewarding proactive planners with hidden treats that create memorable moments. Schedule specialty dining on the first day. This signals to the staff that you're engaged and interested in the culinary experience. Ask for recommendations, express genuine curiosity about the menu, and always mention if it's a special occasion. Even a small gesture like this can trigger surprise upgrades, from complimentary appetizers to private seating arrangements. The key is engagement. Passive travelers get standard service, active travelers get remembered. Secret 3, cruise loyalty programs are more powerful than they seem, but here's what most people miss. It's not just about points accumulating in some distant account. Staff often recognize repeat travelers and offer unlisted perks, like free spa treatments, cabin upgrades, priority boarding, or even access to exclusive events that aren't advertised to first-time cruisers. Always enter your loyalty number, even for short trips, and mention previous cruises casually in conversation with staff. This creates a psychological connection. You're not just another passenger, you're part of the cruise family. One guest shared they received a complimentary champagne welcome and a handwritten note from the captain just for being identified as a frequent traveler. That small recognition transformed their entire cruise mindset from the very first moment. Secret 4. Not all cabins are equal, even on the same deck. This is where research becomes your best friend. Cabins near elevators, service areas, or high-traffic entertainment zones may seem convenient at first glance, but can seriously compromise your tranquility. Noise travels, vibrations from machinery rooms below can disrupt sleep, and constant foot traffic outside your door can make relaxation impossible. Some ships also have hidden premium corners that staff rarely advertise. Cabins with slightly larger balconies, better views, or unique architectural features that weren't part of the original marketing. Research deck plans thoroughly before booking and pick midship cabins away from elevators and anchor areas. Even a minor adjustment in cabin selection can feel like a suite-level upgrade without any additional cost. Secret 5. The way you order drinks can unlock hidden value. Many ships price packages differently depending on timing, location, or pairing with excursions and activities. The bar menu you see at dinner might not be the same as the one available during afternoon lounging. Ask about daily specials, happy hour promotions, and complimentary pairing opportunities that aren't prominently displayed. One traveler discovered that simply ordering wine at lunch instead of dinner, when restaurants were quieter and staff had more time, unlocked a hidden dessert tasting experience that wasn't offered during peak evening hours. Small timing adjustments can yield surprisingly luxurious results. Secret 6. Spa scheduling isn't just about relaxation. It's about opportunity. Cruise lines often overbook standard treatments to maximize revenue, but cancellations happen daily. This creates openings for last-minute upgrades to premium services at reduced or standard pricing. Call the spa desk each morning to check for cancellations. Sometimes a deluxe hot stone massage or exclusive facial treatment appears for the cost of a standard session. It's quiet, almost invisible. Luxury that most passengers never think to pursue. The key is persistence and politeness. Make yourself known to the spa staff, and they'll often prioritize you when premium slots become available. Secret 7. Timing your excursions can give you VIP access without paying a single dollar more. Peak departure times are crowded, chaotic, and impersonal. But early departures, the first tours of the day, can lead to private guides, faster boarding, smaller group sizes, or experiences that feel customized just for you. Choose the first or last tours of the day whenever possible. During one Caribbean cruise, a family ended up with a private snorkeling guide for the price of the standard group tour, just by booking the earliest available slot. They had the reef practically to themselves, while later groups struggled through crowded conditions. Strategic timing transforms ordinary excursions into exclusive adventures. Now, here's a deeper layer most people don't see. Cruise ships are designed to subtly influence your spending and behavior. From the strategic placement of gift shops near high-traffic areas to the timing of notifications about onboard credits and flash sales, every detail is carefully orchestrated to nudge behavior. It's not about tricking you, it's about sophisticated psychology developed over decades of hospitality research. Humans respond to scarcity, surprise, and social recognition. Staff know that offering small perks at precisely the right moment, when you're relaxed, happy, and receptive, can create lasting satisfaction, even without additional charges. Understanding this system means you can navigate it intelligently without overspending. Book smart, observe patterns around you, and politely inquire about options. You'll often receive unlisted perks simply because the system is built to reward active engagement. The emotional layer is just as critical as any discount or upgrade. Feeling valued, seen, and recognized enhances your experience far more than a simple cash upgrade ever could. This is why subtle choices, early check-in, polite requests, strategic timing multiply the sense of luxury without touching your wallet. Secret 8. Never underestimate the power of storytelling and human connection. Cruise staff respond generously to authentic celebrations or personal milestones. Birthdays, anniversaries, honeymoons, graduations, retirements. Even small, genuine mentions can trigger free suite upgrades, exclusive dining experiences, or unexpected perks that transform your trip. It's not manipulation, it's the beautiful power of human connection. One traveler simply mentioned they were celebrating a 10-year anniversary during a casual conversation with guest services, and within an hour, they were escorted to a stunning balcony cabin with panoramic ocean views that doubled the original booking value. All because they shared their story. Knowing this secret transforms your cruise into an experience often reserved for billionaires, without paying a cent more. Luxury isn't always about what you pay, it's about what you know. From early check-ins to understanding the subtle psychology of cruise operations, hidden luxury is within reach for anyone willing to plan smart, observe closely, and engage authentically with the experience. For more insights, tips, and cruise secrets, subscribe to Lux Depths.